Hi there. Let's take a walk through 3815 Barn Owl Lane right here in beautiful West Broad Village. First off, one block behind me is the pool and the clubhouse, the movie theater, there's a rec room that is available for the community. To the side, 2 blocks to the side, in front of me is Trader Joe's and behind me is Whole Foods. And let's take a look through this brownstone. We have a brick front, wood floor here in the foyer, garage through that door, large closet here, downstairs bedroom. Everyone in West Broad Village with a nice sized closet. As I was starting to say, and a full bath. Sorry, I'm interrupting myself. Full bath here. All of West Broad Village has 2-car garages. They all have tankless water heaters. And they are all wonderfully, all the streets are sidewalk lined. So you have the best of all worlds from that standpoint. Upstairs here we have living. On level 2 we have living and dining space. Small porch out to the back. Nice light. As you can see, I've not turned any of the lights on here in the house. Dark cabinets, gas cooking, stainless steel appliances. And here you've got your kitchen space, your food prep where you can overlook conversation. Or we can come through this butler's pantry into more living space. I've seen people put a pool table here. I've seen them set this as formal dining space. And I have seen it set as informal living space. So one of the things that I love about this entire community is that you can live any way you want, but you're gonna sleep on level 3. In this home, we have 2 bedrooms in the back of the house, 1 and 2. This one, because it's a corner, has the double windows. Hall bath. Hall laundry, washer and dryer is included. That helps. In the front of the house is the owner's suite. Here we have a large closet. These homes, the brownstones are built with the option of having an elevator. If someone did not put the elevator in, then you wind up with 4 large closets, 3 or 4 large closets, depending on the space. And here we have an expanded bathroom. His and her, or dual vanities, which takes up some of that elevator closet. And then going up to level 4, there's more living space and another bedroom and another full bath. Isn't this beautiful? This floor does not have the elevator shaft closet coming all the way to the 4th floor. So this room winds up being a large, very flexible, user-friendly space. There is another bedroom here with 2 dual windows, a nice closet, a full bath, and outdoor rooftop space. That's one of the things that makes the brownstone unique and makes it a brownstone, is that you do have outdoor rooftop space with this view. This wall, by the way, it's probably almost 5 feet tall. So if you like what you see, I would love to share this with you in person. It is available for rent. And just let me know. I would love to share it. Thank you.